What if it doesn't fit? You're gonna get it on film, right? Let's see. Hopefully it's a little bit too big. Oh, it is a little bit too big, which is perfect. 34 1/4. It's almost the perfect height. Just a little bit on the wide side. So one of the first things I have to do is I have to clear the opening to get it back to where it should be. Because I got all this paint buildup around here that's going to interfere with the actual fit. So I'm going to go and start doing that. It's going to give me some juice there. It's got a flow scraper. Okay. So remember yesterday how I was saying that I was explaining about how the square has to fit in the square, okay? One of the things that we're faced with here is that this opening here is not square. And when I put this sash in, there's a huge gap up there, okay? So I have to take that into consideration. When I put this guy up here, you can see the gap big as day. See that? Okay, you can't, see? That gap right there is just really, really big. And so what I gotta do is take that gap into consideration, okay? So instead of taking it off of this side, what I could, which I could do, I'm gonna take it off of this one, okay? All right, and I've got, it looks like 3/16 of an inch here, okay? So this is what I'm gonna have you do, okay? I'm gonna have you taper this side. So here's what we're gonna do, okay? If you take that planer, we're starting from this end, okay? Start. There you go, see? That says start. It doesn't say speed. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take that planer to about here. That'd be one stopping point, okay? Second stopping point about there. All right, you're gonna stop it there, and then I'm gonna say even stop it here a third time, okay? And that's gonna be about 3/16 off. And once you stop the third time, okay, now you're gonna do all that at the 16th inch depth. Then once you stop this third time, switch to the 32nd, and then you do the two passes to blend it all back in, okay? Yeah, probably so. As a matter of fact, yeah, my first one was this one. This is my second one. All right, so here's this. Go ahead and hand me that planer. I'm gonna go ahead and do this. Do this one here. Do a quick adjustment. So before I even do the 30-second thing, I'm just gonna see if I'm even close. Yeah, so look, I can start to see my line right here. Okay, so yeah, so here's an advanced technique here. I am gonna set it to the 32nd now, and I'm gonna, give me some slack there, my battery. 32nd, and I'm gonna ease it to this side. So I'm going to kind of tilt it a little bit. Not much, but. I get excited. When I start seeing it, oh. Boom. I'm in. Okay, but we're not done, right? So now that I'm in, I'm a little long. Okay? So I've got some more gap to take up here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my scribe and I'm gonna scribe the inside, okay? And I'm gonna lift it up a little bit, okay? And I'll let you do that. Let's see what that looks like, okay? And it might be an incomplete line. I should be able to get the idea. Oh, that's not bad. Look. Okay, so what I want you to do is at the 16th setting, okay, you're gonna have to eyeball, you have to watch the blade, okay? Watch the blade and see when the blade touches. All right, and then do it again when the blade touches, and it might be a third time. Okay, and don't worry about the 32nd, because we're just kind of roughing it in right now. Okay, we can smooth it out a little bit. Getting so close. Take me a 16th off from here to about here, and from here to about there. Just the middle and then a quarter of the way through. See what that does. See it? You can see the reveal here. Let me see your camera.
Yeah.
See that? See, the reveal is looking a lot better, okay? It's not exact yet, but we're getting close. Let's see what it looks like at the bottom. Got a little bit yet to go. We can actually take it up a little bit. Okay, this is what I want. I want another 16th to about, to about there. And then come back the other way and then take me about 16th off to about there. See what that does. Kenny, I don't think you could ask for a better fit, really. I mean, the only thing that I'm seeing now is I'm touching right up there, which I don't like. And I can take a little bit off of that to compensate for that. I'll take it off of here. Not that much, okay? And what that'll do, if I take it off of here, what that will do, it'll drop it down and create a space up there. Now, what I have to be willing to accept is also going to drop it here. Yeah, and close there, but I've got a gap there enough to play with, right? So that's one reason why I don't want to cut any more off that side. My gap's right here. If I can close this gap here by cutting it here, I think that's a win. Now, here's the other thing too. Okay, so say it does drop down, right? And I create a gap here. Well, guess what? I can, if I need, I might need a little gap to go up. I can still take some off the top to raise it up. So that's what I'm going to do. So, did you happen to know that this is one of the hardest parts of carpentry to do? Yeah, the hardest. People make entire businesses out of fitting things like that. I mean, that's like fitting a door, but on a smaller scale. So the tolerance is smaller. No, a door is big. You know what I'm saying? You got a little bit more leeway on a window sash. Much tighter tolerance. So this is high-end craftsmanship right here.
I appreciate it.
Oh yeah, see that? Yeah, created my gap there. Okay. Oh, I'm so happy. Because look, see now, this line here is parallel. My hinge line is parallel. Okay? This is sitting perfectly flat on my sill. And I've got just enough room to take one more pass. Where am I going to take it off? I can take it off the bottom or I can take it off at the top. Well, I think I'll take it off at the top because I can scribe it. I'll scribe it and I'll get a parallel line. I'm going to take, see that? See how I just marked what I got to take off? You get that in there, Chris? Mm-hmm. All right. So there we go. Okay. So can you get that block plane real quick? You know where it is? Thank you, sir. Man. Nobody. People look at my $15 flea market find and they go, then they see me use it. You can see the line if I do it this way. Okay, I'm going to straddle it like a horse. Oh man. Perfect. Oh. Man, I could not ask for anything better. But what I could ask for is a hinge, because now that this is properly fit in place, now we can fit the hinges. Everything hinges on how well we do this now.